Hello and welcome to Be Free Driving School. My name is Wendy, and on this video, I'll be giving you 5 tips to driving alone after passing your driving test. Tip 1 is to drive on your own as soon as possible. This will help to build up your confidence. Now, you've got to make sure that you have the correct insurance. So if you're practicing on your own car prior to you passing your test, make sure that you contact your insurance company and let them know that you have now got a full driving license. If you don't have a car, then you're going to have to get yourself a car. There are lots of deals, and as a new driver, you will find the insurance is really expensive, especially if you're under 25. It also depends on what postcode you live in as well. I have put some links below for deals on getting a new car if you're under 25 and also for car insurance. So please click the link below. Tip number 2, limit the amount of distractions that you have in the car. You may choose to have somebody accompany you for your first drive, maybe a more experienced driver. But other than that, I would limit the amount of passengers that you have in the vehicle, just so that you're not having to deal with screaming children, friends that want to sort of talk to you. There are many distractions that you can have in the car, such as changing the radio, eating, or using your mobile phone. So just try and concentrate as much as you can and reduce the amount of distractions. Tip number 3, be aware of the new Drivers Act. With the new Drivers Act, your licence will be cancelled if you get 6 or more penalty points on your driving licence within 2 years of passing your test. I have included a link for more information. Click on the link below. There's a PDF, and that will tell you a little bit more about the new Drivers Act. Tip number 4, put P plates on. P plates will just alert other drivers that you are new on the road. Hopefully, they might be a little bit more considerate. Don't be intimidated. It's also a good idea to drive at off-peak time, so not during the rush hour, just to make things less stressful for yourself. Tip number 5, once you build up your confidence, have further training. Driving is a skill, like any other skill. It's something to go back and reflect on and develop. So once again, if you think of a pilot, I don't know how comfortable you'd feel with a pilot, knowing that the pilot had 20 hours, did a 20-hour crash course, and has not gone back and done any further training. I don't think I'd feel that comfortable. There's different courses. You've obviously got Pass Plus, you have motorway driving, and there's advanced lessons as well. Once again, you'll find further information about this if you click in the free PDF download in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bells so that you don't miss future videos. Till next time, bye-bye.